Meaning of Eastern Eye.
Eastern Eye.
Eastern Eye.
Eastern Eye.
Eastern Eye. Eastern Eye can have different meanings depending on the context. One possible interpretation is that of a newspaper, as there is a UK-based weekly publication called Eastern Eye that covers news and issues related to the South Asian community, including politics, entertainment, and sports. Another possible interpretation is that of an idiom referring to an individual's or society's perspective or worldview that is influenced by Eastern culture or values. In either case, the term suggests a focus on the Eastern region and its cultural influences.